Alright, now in order to slide this thing off, it's going to slide off the end, but I got to take the muzzle brake off first. So, you guys know, this is an AR-15 tool. Make sure you get one of these in order if you plan on doing any of your own work and your own stuff. So, come on, get on there. Biggest thing is because of this crush washer right here, my tool is kind of thick, so getting this thing on here, it's going to be a pain. There we go. Do is easily slide this off in here, and take your time because I don't want to damage the gas tube. Won't be needing that anymore. Alright, but before I dig into this right here, I've got to take the tube out. So I get a little punch, smaller size, and I got to tap this push pin. Flip it over. I get it from the other side a little bit better. Go. There's that little piece there. And then the tube will slide out. Just like that. Keep in mind that the porthole is right here for the gas to come through the block, transfer through the block. So you're going to keep that in mind. There's a push pin right there. There's a porthole, so make sure it has to be oriented back into the low profile gas block. And here is my low profile gas block. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back in here. And make sure I line it back up. And this is going to be the test. And I'm not going to use the old one. I'm going to use a brand new one that came with the block. So if I can get it started in here, which is going to be a serious pain in the ass, I'm sure. Yep. Yeah, it's going to be a pain in the butt. Alright. Took a little work. Like I said, it was quite a pain in the ass. I'm not really worried about this being scratched and scored because this is all going to be underneath the rail, so you're really not going to be able to see it anyway. But it is set back in flush. That's a little pain in the ass getting that little push pin back in there and get it set back through the tube. Quick test. Ported right. There we go. Alright, so now it's time to put the gas block back on. So we'll slide this back on. Everything is all lined up because it's, like I said, it's a push pin in here. You guys saw. Tube is lined up. It's going to line right back inside into the gas block, and it's flush. The thing is to make sure, double check it, make sure it's in straight line. Gas tube, it shouldn't be. You shouldn't feel a bind on this at all. There should be no bind. It should flip right back in. Once it's in, then we'll set it with a low profile gas block. Get my T-wrench in here. I can see it. Good, there we go. This will line right back up. As I get it close, and it's got thread locker on it. Wow. I had to go get a different Allen wrench because I don't want to twist up my T-wrench here. It has it's got poly lock, like a thread locker that's on the hex nuts itself, so there's no reason to add any thread locker to it. It comes with it, this particular low profile gas block. Now it's just basically getting it flush. It's lined up square, so it is in. As I can see it, yep, it's all lined back up.